In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch live cricket on ESPN so you can enjoy matches and highlights. Let's get started. To watch live cricket, start by subscribing to ESPN Plus, as it offers exclusive cricket content like international matches, tournaments, and replays. Download the ESPN app on your device, smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device, and log in to your account. If prompted, activate the app by visiting espn.com/activate and entering the code displayed on your screen. Once logged in, navigate to the Live Sports section to find the schedule of ongoing or upcoming cricket matches. Select the game you want to watch and stream it directly. For smart TVs or devices like Roku or Fire Stick, ensure the ESPN app is installed and activated. For uninterrupted viewing, ensure a stable internet connection. Alternatively, cast the match from your phone to your TV using Chromecast or AirPlay. For offline access, download eligible ESPN Plus content while connected to Wi-Fi and watch later in the Downloads section. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy live cricket on ESPN.